what you came to see. Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Draw me in, get what you started. Go with your hands, can you be my body?
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer, me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong.
Hi guys, I'm having a very crazy and sad day today. Yesterday evening, my cleaner was cleaning and I was downstairs working, and the next thing she was downstairs and she went back upstairs, and the next thing I heard was, Jesus, fire. That was how I ran upstairs to see that my room was on fire. Like the wardrobe part of my room was on fire. Like the fire was so massive that the whole room was covered in smoke. I immediately called my security and they ran down to my house and they put out the fire. Thank God, like just 50% of my clothes and things are gone, but I'm just grateful that I was home when that happened and we were able to contain the fire immediately. That's all that matters. Material things can be rebuilt, but life, I'm just grateful now. Everywhere is so messy. We've thrown like half away and we are still trying to clear out all these things. Like it's just so much work, so much things to do. I hired a professional cleaner to come do most of the things, and I'll probably just have to redo my whole room, but that's not the problem right now. I'm still in shock because I literally had a panic attack walking in here. Like it was crazy. They had to take me to the hospital because I inhaled so much smoke. But regardless, I'm just grateful for life. Just grateful. Like life is so unpredictable. We just have to be grateful for every single day, because I had my hair appointment, I had my dermatologist. I said dermatologist. I had my spa appointment booked for today, and I was just saying, today I'm just going, like, now I can't even do shit. That's just life. Life comes at you fast. Like if you had told me around 3 p.m. yesterday that my room would be on fire, I would not believe. It's crazy. So let me just talk to my life. I'm so tired. Thank God for my bestie. My bestie quickly rushed down here to get me, and we're back here. So my sister is on her way. I'm just really grateful for like good people and family. Guys, so because this Lagos, I've been through a lot. I've gone through a lot. Like I don't even know. I don't know. So I called someone to fix my washing machine because my house help did something. I don't know what she did. She was trying to use it and it got bad. I called someone to fix it. He said he needed to take the washing machine to where they will fix it. So he, with my permission, I even called my gate to allow him take the washing machine. Then he said I would send him 110,000 naira. I sent him the money. That's how this guy went away with my washing machine and my money. Till this day, it's been like 2 months or 3 months. And since then, I've just been reluctant to buy a washing machine because I'm just so hot. Like, why would somebody do that to me? So my sister came today now, and because I have to, almost half of my clothes got burnt. The rest of them, there's like smoke and everything on it, so I have to wash it. So she took me to the supermarket to get me a washing machine. W in the chat for Maris.
I don't have dry skin or oily skin.
You have combination skin. Which of them? Let me see. Vitamin C and what? Let's do water based.
Then face wash, just
Everyday face wash, yeah. And that's all now. You have face cream, maybe? Yeah, because I already said. That's all. This ageless. What's? Can you tell me about it? Dang ageless. No, that. All your product ages. Okay. Yeah. It's the little gem. Okay, let's try and see.
There's something that she posted one time
for hyperpigmentation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where is it? Let me see.
Armpit.
Is it for armpit or is just as a like
I
acid?
just
As a
need
like used to exfoliate.
I just need it for my armpit.
Okay, yeah, you can get it. Welcome to Dank.
This one is fine. I didn't say so.
I beg, that one too much.
What's too much?
1.2.
But it's Samsung good. No, Samsung.
Yes.
But Hisense is always good.
It's good, but I think I like this. I like this touch here. Please, can you explain? Can you explain this?
Modern.
What this is?
This is like the Wi-Fi part of it is it's let me understand this. You can connect it to an app on your phone. I think they have smart applications.
Wow.
In terms of we call it smart things. I don't know about iSense and this, but what matters is that you can start let me see.
Control it. You can control it from your phone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you can control it from. But if I make more research or maybe through
Yeah.
ChatGPT or something.
Yeah.
but,
Nice. But it's easy to use, right?
yeah.
It's easy to use. The person that will install it to show me how to.
Yeah.
Probably use
Yeah. Let's go for this one, Maris.
merits.
They said if there's any issue, they'll fix it.
Inverter.
Is this not inverter?
Yes, it's inverter.
Can you confirm? Bye bye. Let's go.
How much is the price?
We really get the check price. That's price. What do you need? Kiwi. We can check it when we get there now.
No, I don't want to eat it.
We drop it. Jesus, thank God we didn't choose the color. Can you see it? Like, go be like school. What the fuck? That's what I'm saying. Like, we have to add white to it. We have to make it like that. I swear. We have to make this a bit lighter. Let's make it lighter. Can you hear me?
Even as I even going, our paint itself cannot commence tomorrow itself. Because we need to finish up this design.
This is
painting, yes.
Okay.
Is
Like if this comes a bit lighter, it's gonna be very nice. Then this,
But the paint is cool though. It's calm.
yeah, it's calm. Yeah, this is very nice. So we're settling for this. Like, hi guys, how's you guys doing? So I just used the opportunity to refurnish my house because I've not really had the time to furnish it properly because I've just always been in and out. So I'm just taking my time now to just finish it a bit. I've done most of the things, you guys. The painter I got, like the first painter I got, charged me ridiculously. So the painter I got the first time, he overcharged me, and everybody warned me about the painter, but I just insisted on using him because I just wanted everything to be fast. The guy charged me 700k, and he did rubbish. I paid him for deluxe paint, and he went ahead to mix paint from those
What is on the
roadside. What? So he scammed me. And after painting, the whole thing was rubbish. Like, I legit cried. Maybe I'll insert the picture of how it was looking when he finished. Like, this guy did rubbish job. I had to call someone else. My friend gave me someone else, and the person came to fix it. And the person was not even that expensive. I had to go to Deluxe myself, and and I'm happy I did that because, I was kind of into interior by post. I'll be back again, by God's grace. So it made me, do some research and find out about, color tone, lighter tone, color undertone, all of that. So I picked the perfect shade for myself, and the painter did the job. So yeah, that's done. And so I'm done with the painting, and I like fixing this thing. I've cried and cried and cried because just like, who even sent me? Like, let me just pack my load and travel somewhere. Why am I stressing? Well, so I gave a carpenter to do bed frame because the bed frame I saw at Oka was very expensive, and the guy did rubbish. I've told him to redo it. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully he does it well. So on my way to. Gosh, I talk too much, but I just missed talking to you guys because I've been away for 1, 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, if not more. So yeah, I'm going to Oka to get a dining set. So yeah, let's go together. Yeah. So let's begin with the search for dining. So, I saw some here, but they're not ordered. Like, and this is actually too big. So I'm just gonna go upstairs and check for more options. Yes, you have to know.
I understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think
Oh my gosh, this place is so big. I'm fighting for my life right now. My eyes are turning me. I can't even see. The last time I was here, there's a particular dining set I saw. I can't even find it. I just hope they've not sold it. Anyways, you can never ever waste a mirror.
think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they paint it. Love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just lay on top, but it bothers me. 'Cause didn't love it, they love they see. I didn't like to discuss 'cause it is to me.
They sold it
Yes.
just now.
Yes, right, because you can see them moving.
Oh my god! Oh wait, you guys, they've sold it. I'm legit going to cry because it's so deep. Oh no. Why did I not come earlier? Look at it. This was so cute. Oh no. Oh. I'm so sad right now because this is the proper definition of you snooze, you lose. Like, why is it that the person just bought it today? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm trying to get a chair for my living room, like a tiny chair to fit in my sofa. Do you like this? This is 800, right? This is 700. What do you think? But I like the fact that this one turns around. I'm even discouraged. Like, what are the other options? I'm discouraged. Like, I need that tiny. I can't even find any other thing. Oh my God. Let me try to walk around to see if there's anything I can manage. Or I'm so tired. Ah,
Didn't like to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I've had your
this set
back.
is 5 million. If you can get it for me, I'll be so happy. Because right now I'm so sad. I'm sad. No, that's what I want. I know what I want. It is so beautiful. Oh God, that's so much.
You want to make me
The video, right?
this is not the one.
Bro, it has like this person that was shiny. It's like glass. It's not like I mean,
This is Italian. It's Italian.
hi guys, how are you guys doing? I've been sleeping for the past 24 hours. I don't know why. I don't know. I've just been sleeping. I still feel a little bit sluggish, but I'm trying to. You guys won't believe I made my hair because I planned to go out. Like I planned to be outside to go to at least three or four places. Then I made my hair. Immediately after making my hair, I was like, let me just nap for a bit. And that's how I napped till morning. And I woke up to thousands of calls on my phone. Bro, I was so embarrassed. But I feel like my friends should they understand me now. But I'm really trying to start going up because I'm just a young hoe. I should be outside. I need to start pushing myself to go out. I need to. Even my sister's like, you need to go out. Anyways, I'm going to change. I just love that my sister would like the same things. We enjoy the same things. So I told her that I wanted to play Gamebox. I don't know if you guys know what Gamebox is. I don't know. I just found out that most of my Lagos friends, they don't know what Gamebox is. Back in Delta State, that's like a very popular game. It's like, okay, no, I'm going to show you because I'm going to fuck. So, yeah, it's a really fun game. We used to play it when we were younger. And I told her I wanted to play. So she's bringing some of our friends together. And we are going to play it today. You know, I'm just reliving my childhood because I missed it. Yeah, so I'm driving to her place now. Then would go from there. See you.
Skin on skin, no separation, ain't no competition. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's already cool.
Welcome to Zanzibar. It's a lie. It's not Zanzibar. It's Lagos. Lagos is beautiful. Hi. Hi. Still clean. Oh, it's new now. Hi guys. Hey.
Put that one on the
You
YouTube.
don't do that yet.
Put that one on the
You want
YouTube.
chase our toasters? Excuse me.
Hey. We're born to next month. No worry. No worry. When we play, I'll come to pass just now.
Hi guys. Oh, my name is Mar, and I'm here to play games. Game box. Game what? Box.
Okay, my name is Chucho Mayana and I'm here to have a good time.
Good.
Hi guys, my name is Jojo and I'm here to have a good time to play Game Box.
Yay!
Let's go!
Hi guys, my name is Candy and I'm here to play Game Box.
Guys, my name is Trabzy and we're here to have a lot of fun, so keep watching.
Typically play what?
Play a lot of games like box.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi, my name is Fortune and I'm here to play Game Box.
Yay!
Step on his bed.
Just step on. Where are you running to?
Somebody has a smell. Smells very bad.
You hurt me, only suck it up if you disturb me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stone. Act like you hurt me, only suck it up if you disturb me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stone. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come to get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Come get
I'm your team. Hey, play. You look finished.
I'm not moving now. You're the one moving now. And you don't go there.
Make sure you do this, okay? Did I get signed for this thing?
So once you see that somebody is here and nobody is there again, face here and I will box the person in. Understand? Once you are there, the person cannot show.
Okay, I'll stand here.
It's just when you see that this person is there.
Next time.
No, it's only me that can come straight. Yeah, just there. Just there.
So who
It's me. This is my place. I'm the mother, like I'm the mother of the kid. So I can go there, I can come here.
you also come to give us
No, I can't come there. Just straight. And like this. But you now.
who come here? Oh? Yeah, no, just here.
Yes.
So me only here. Let's get game. Jojo, you know the again now. That's how it starts. You go back. Go back here. Run. Wait. Stop on.
Sit down.
No.
Kida, go outside.
No. You are going outside. Go. I think I should have been their line. You ready? The one that was. Yes, I touched her.
No, you don't fit on here. You don't fit on here.
I don't know. Wait, how far? Wait, so now they like this.
Mary, say that it's
Kenji! Wait, I don't stay outside. Wait, first.
When you can go downstairs.
I don't stay outside.
You must be saying in the enter this way. When you enter this way. Now books by books.
You can't go back.
when they explain too much to your team.
No.
So she touched it.
Mama, who you don't touch?
See, this one are criminal.
Oh, Kenji did it.
You see what I did? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Wait,
I think you know if you go back.
Ida, go there.
Mary, so you
cannot come. Ida, go. Ida, you can go. Ida, go there.
1, 2, ready, go.
Can you make a move now? Ida, go there.
They don't touch Kenji. They don't touch Kenji. They don't touch Kenji. You got them with your sex. This guy, very easy.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, Candy, be careful, please. Don't fuck up my team. Charlie! Everybody in my team, say hi.
We're live. We're doing this. 100. Win out only.
This is the losing team. Team B. Come here now.
Put on.
We won!
For my team.
We won!
It's good.
We won!
How they like lose? When they like lose, don't say they do good. Don't be perfect definition of official in their
Gas me up, give me motivation now. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say forever on the high. When we love it, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Only something with you to serve me. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now.
Why are there so many cows?
You see all these sexy guys in the club. Oh, girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life. I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it. Girl, I need it all. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah, OVO Sound 2025.